Want to do your HP Smart Tank 5000 printer Wi-Fi setup? First, make sure your PC or smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Press and hold the information button on your Smart Tank 5000. Step 2. Once all the buttons are lit up, release the information button. Step 3. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together for 3 seconds. Step 4. After 3 seconds, release the button, and the lights on the printer's control panel will go off. Step 5. Check if the Wi-Fi and the power button are flashing, which means your printer has entered the setup mode. Make sure you follow the above steps, then let's complete the next steps. Step 6. Open your App Store or Play Store and search for the HP Smart application. Step 7. Tap on Get to install the app. Step 8. Once installed, tap on Open to launch the application. Step 9. On the home screen of your HP Smart app, tap on the Add icon. Step 10. On the next page, tap on Add Printer. Step 11. Select your printer series. Step 12. On the Connect the printer to Wi-Fi window, enter your Wi-Fi password and tap on Continue. Step 13. When prompted, press the information button on your printer. Step 14. Once your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi, tap on Continue. Step 15. On the Connected Printing Services page, select Accept All and follow the next on-screen prompts. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such help and information. Or visit us at www.printertales.com. Call us at 1-857-557-6884. 441615184781.